Red lentil soup is by far the most widespread soup in many Arabic countries, from Lebanon, Jordan to Egypt. It's traditionally prepared during cold winter months, during Ramadan, and as a starter when having guests. Middle Eastern lentil soup is very easy and quick to make, yet packed with flavors. Let me show you my recipe for the most popular soup of the Middle East.
If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kitty, and this channel is all about Middle Eastern recipes and culture, with a special focus on my beloved country, Jordan.
Let's have a quick look at the ingredients you need to make Arabic lentil soup. Red lentils are the key ingredient for your soup. You need red split lentils, which are among the most commonly used in the Middle East. They are fast cooking, no soaking required. They have an orange-reddish color and will turn yellow during cooking. Depending on your country and brand, you'll find them labeled as red lentils, red split lentils, or masoor dal, the Indian brands. Then we'll need onions. Carrots are another key ingredients that make the soup so delicious. For an even more creamy soup, you can also add a boiled potato. Ginger is optional but very recommended. It goes super well with lentils and carrots. If using, be sure to use fresh ginger. To season, we'll need cumin powder, turmeric powder, salt, and pepper. For some additional flavor, we use a stock cube. Vegetable stock cube or chicken stock cube, either works well. Then we need oil, preferably olive oil, to saute the vegetables. And last but not least, we'll need water. There's a link in the description box for a complete list of ingredients and amounts which you can save or print out. Ready to make Arabic lentil soup? Yalla, let's get started. The first step is to prepare the vegetables. If using ginger, peel the ginger and crush it with a mortar and pestle. Peel the onion and roughly chop it. Finally, dice the carrots. Depending on your preference and the quality of the skin, you can use peeled carrots or unpeeled. Set aside the chopped vegetables. Now, place lentils in a large bowl, fill up with water and wash to remove any debris. Drain and set aside. Soaking is not required for red lentils. Let's move on to our stove. Heat olive oil in a large saucepan. Once the oil is heated, add the ginger to the oil and saute for 30 seconds to release the aroma. Then add the chopped onions and saute over medium heat for another 3 to 4 minutes until the onion is translucent. Next, add the diced carrots to the saucepan. Stir well to combine with the onions. Fry for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. Once the carrots are slightly tender, add lentils to the saucepan. Also add the powdered spices: cumin, turmeric, salt, and pepper. Stir well to combine. Add hot water from the tap or the kettle to the saucepan. Also add a stock cube. The amount of water is up to you. You can add more water than suggested in this recipe if you'd like your soup to be more watery, or less water for a thicker soup. I recommend you start with the suggested amounts. If you find your soup too thick, you can always make it thinner at a later stage. Once the water is bubbling, reduce the stove to low. Simmer for about 20 minutes until the lentils are tender. Once lentils and carrots are tender, turn off the stove. Use an immersion blender to blend the soup to a smooth consistency. You can blend it halfway or fully, depending on your liking. Traditionally, it's fully blended, and that's also what I recommend to make it more creamy. Once you reach that beautifully creamy consistency, it's time to serve. Pour the soup into small bowls. You can serve it plain, garnish with some chopped parsley or fried pita chips. To serve it the traditional way, serve some fresh lemon alongside. And that's it, your lentil soup is ready. Sahtin, enjoy!